Alright, cut to a commercial. Hello. Hey, if you'd like to support the Rockstar Cartoonist podcast, you can, you got one of them, like banners that says click the links to PayPal and all that? No, I changed it. But alright. You can support the show by, clicking the links in the description box below. Michael Lyons, the Rockstar Cartoonist, has books for sale. If you'd like to learn Ojibwe language and you'd like to look at some really cool, like cartoons and that, click the link to Amazon.com and you can get a copy of OJIBWE with the big alien on there. Do you believe in aliens? I believe in everything. You must be a conspiracy theorist. But yeah, you can order Ojibwe. It's a bunch of Michael Lyons' cartoons and teaching the Ojibwe language. Ojibwe on sale now at Amazon.com. All right. So here we are. The beginning of another big show. Hey, where's Natasha? I think she's outside. Oh, she's saying a prayer? Yeah, I think she went out there to put out her tobacco and say a prayer. All right. Let's wait for her to come back before we start the show. Yeah, okay. Anyway, all right. Do we have anything lined up? I mean, what's going on today, Emily? On today's show? Yeah. Well, let's see. Are we still gonna read the the Breakfast Club? Oh yeah, we're gonna do the Breakfast Club table read. Yeah, we'll do the Breakfast Club table read, and then Natasha and I have a song we're gonna play. Oh, okay. And Paul. Yeah, what is it, Michael? You ready with your thing? Yeah, I'm gonna read a poem. You're gonna read a poem? Yeah, I'm an artist. I love to sing and play guitar and dance, but I'm also a painter, and I'm also a really great poet. Oh, I suppose you write lyrics for Kiss, huh? That's right. All right. So we have the Breakfast Club table read, Paul's poem. How about you, Sabe? What do you got for us? Oh, I reckon I'm going to talk to the children about believing in themselves. About believing in themselves? That's right. Nobody believes in Bigfoot, so I got to tell them about the Bigfoot. Okay. That's right. All right. So we'll have a segment on Sabe, have a segment on Paul Stanley. Nanabushi got a Ojibwe phrase of the day. Yeah, I got, let's see, what are we doing? Oh, Ikadon Buju. Oh, say hello. Yep. And Giga Waba Min. Oh, right on. All right, it sounds pretty good. Bonjour, Beneshiag. Hello, birds. How you doing this morning? Midoki Gajem. Good morning. I have some tobacco here. There we go. Little pinch of tobacco. Don't mind me. I'm just going to say a little prayer. I like to come out here in the woods. Put up my tobacco, say a little prayer to get you Manadu. Yeah, the Great Spirit, God. All right. Washoo, get you Manadu. Hello, Great Spirit. Nene, Natasha. It's Natasha. It's just little old me. Utapana niwi asema. Except my tobacco. Tagawi tukawishan. Ando min away nun gum. Help me to speak well today, please. I know Michael's got some big ideas. He wants to do a show with all of us at once. Help him to speak well too, okay? Ikwach ka iji ka kina keku, ka iji chikean nun gum. Thank you for everything that you do today. We watch Gaishi we buck. Thank you for this weather. It's just beautiful. Mikwachka Bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Dash. Mikwach Bisandawiag. And thank you for listening. Kichimanadu. Thanks for taking my call. You know, I offer a little pinch of tobacco with my prayer. Thanks for listening. Mikwachka Bisandawiag. Apeyage. Amen. That's right. Oh, yeah. Well, maybe it's time to go back. I should go see what the boys are up to, what that old Emily is up to. I think they're going to have Sabe on the show this morning. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Bonjour. Hi, sweetie. Oh, hey, baby doll, you ready to come home? Yeah, can you teleport me? Oh, yeah, you got it. Let's see, let me scan for your coordinates. I'm out here in the woods, and there's mosquitoes. Okay, hang on. All right, I'm locking in. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. Let me just move this down here. Do you like my fake aquarium? It adds some ambience. No kidding, huh? Hey, there she is. Hi. How you doing? I'm doing great. Hey, Natasha, how you doing? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. Emily, what? The whole gang's here. You gonna teach the Ojibwe word of the day? Yeah, Michael wants to start something. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Emily, will you will you cue the music? What? Sure, darling, I'll cue the music. All right. Hey, Sabe, what are you doing here? Hello, love. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Rockstar Cartoonist. I am Michael Lyons. Over here we have Emily. Say hello, Emily. Hi, y'all. How you doing? Welcome to the show. And over here we've got Nana Buju, of course. Okay, Buju Gakina Awia. Or Buju Ni Anishinaabe Dug. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. My fellow people. And over here we have the lovely and the talented Natasha. Bonjour, Gakina. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. And today on our podcast, we have 2 very special guests. All the way from the deep woods, we have Sabe. Say hello, Sabe.
All right. Hello there. This is Sabe Bigfoot.
Okay. And down over here, we've got Paul Stanley.
Hey, everybody. This is Paul Stanley of Kiss. And today, I'd like to read one of my poems. This song, or this poem, is called Love Gun. Love Gun by Paul Stanley. I really love you, baby. I love what you've got. Let's get together, we can get hot. No more tomorrows, baby. Time is today. Girl, I can make you feel okay. No place for hiding, baby. No place to run. You pull the trigger of my love gun. Love Gun by Paul Stanley. And this has been Paul Stanley's Moment of Poetry. Back to you, Nana Buzu.
Hey, actually, before that, do you want to take a call on line 2?
On line 2? Sir. Hello, caller. Welcome to ROCKSTAR CARTOONIST. I'm Paul Stanley for Paul Stanley's Moment of Poetry. You're on the air.
Yeah. Paul, this is Gene Simmons of Kiss.
Hey, Gene. What are you doing? I was just on Michael Lyons' podcast.
Yeah, I've been watching it, but I'm watching his podcast because I wanted to learn some Ojibwe. I didn't know I'd be listening to you recite poetry.
Well, Gene, sometimes you gotta rock and roll all night and party every day, but sometimes you just gotta write poetry and read it.
Yeah, okay. Well, hey, I'm gonna go.
All right, Gene. Thanks for calling.
Oh, yeah! Well, all right.
Wow. Gene Simmons, Michael.
Yeah, it's Gene.
That was pretty cool.
You think it was cool? Don't you see him all the time?
Well, yeah, but it's probably cool for the Kiss fans.
Yeah, maybe.
All right. Well, everybody, thank you for listening to my poem. And, hey, do you want to see one of my paintings?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I don't have my painting here.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, I will see you again. Giga waba min minawa. Back to you, Michael Lyons.
All right, thanks, Paul. Let's send it over to Nana Buju with today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Take it away, Nana Buju.
Miigwech Thank you, brother. Okay, Buju Gakinawiya. Hello, everybody. And today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. We got a good one this time, huh, sweetie?
Yeah, we do.
Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Ikadon Buju. Say hello. Ikadon Buju ni wini mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Buju Gakina Awiya. Hello, everybody. Natasha Nindijanakaz.
Oh, right. And that's the other phrase. Nindijanakaz is my name. Nindijanakaz. For some reason in Ojibwe, we always, we don't say Nindijanakaz Nanabuju. We say Nanabuju Nindijanakaz. I don't know why it's like that. But yeah, Nindijanakaz means is my name. So go ahead, sweetie, do it again.
Buju! What am I supposed to say?
Oh, I'm sorry. Ikadon Buju, Natasha.
Buju Gakina Awiya. Natasha Nindijanakaz. Hello, everybody. Natasha is my name.
Very good. All right, Michael. Say hello, Michael. Ikadon Buju, Michael. Hey, everybody, how you doing? And what's your name? Michael Lyons, Nindijanakaz. Michael Lyons is my name. Very nice. Emily.
Hi, y'all. How you doing? Emily Aubrey Nindijanakaz. Emily Aubrey is my name.
Right on. Hey, Paul.
Yeah, lad, bonjour.
Ikadon Boujou.
Hey, everybody, it's Paul Stanley of Kith.
And what's your name?
Paul Stanley, I said. Paul Stanley and then Disney cars.
Yeah, okay. And, oh yeah, Sabe. Where is he? Sabe. Ikadon Boujou.
Hello, my name is Sabe. Some people call me Bigfoot. Some people call me Sasquatch. But I am a simple Sabe. Did you know that in Ojibwe, Sabe, Miss Sabe, it means giant. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. Isn't that right, Nano Boju? That's right. Miss Sabe is giant. That's because I'm a giant. Hey, you don't seem like a giant. Oh, well, pardon me, love. Pardon me, mate.
Very good. And there you have it. Ikadon Boujou. Say hello. And Nindija Nikaz is my name.
All right, let me just do this. Hello, love. Hello, mate. How are ya? Sabe Nindija Nikaz. Sabe is my name. And today I would like to talk to you about something very personal. But maybe you feel the same way, I do not know. You know, there are a lot of people who will say, "Oh, I don't believe in Bigfoot." Can you believe that? They say, "No, I do not believe in Bigfoot." Well, let me tell you something. Maybe sometimes you feel that same way. It can make you feel very lonely. Very lonely indeed. When nobody believes in you, you have to believe in yourself. So today I would like to talk to you about what they call Nabwakawin in Ojibwe. Wisdom. I have roamed the woods for many years, for many moons. And this is one thing I've learned. Nobody is going to take you by the hand and say, "Come with me. I believe in you. I'm going to make you live out your dreams." If you want to live out your dreams, you must first begin by believing in yourself. Oh, but I hear you say, "Oh, Sabe, how can I possibly believe in myself? I am just one so small." Well, let me tell you something. Nobody believed in me, but I believed in myself.
As I sat in the street alone, standing in the shadows, wondering why I'm not at home. I sit and contemplate my thoughts and feelings about you. Wondering what it is I do that makes you so confused. Then the light in the street turned out on me, and the moon in
Hello. Hey, if you'd like to support the Rockstar Cartoonist podcast, you can, you got one of them, like banners that says click the links to PayPal and all that? No, I changed it. But alright. You can support the show by, clicking the links in the description box below. Michael Lyons, the Rockstar Cartoonist, has books for sale. If you'd like to learn Ojibwe language and you'd like to look at some really cool, like cartoons and that, click the link to Amazon.com and you can get a copy of Gibberish with the big alien on there. Do you believe in aliens? I believe in everything. You must be a conspiracy theorist. But yeah, you can order Ojiberish. It's a bunch of Michael Lyons' cartoons and teaching the Ojibwe language. Ojiberish on sale now at Amazon.com. All right.
I know, but that's what I say on stage. Yeah, okay. So, but to get things started, before we go any further, today's show, we're going to be doing a table read of the classic 80s movie, The Breakfast Club. And Paul Stanley is going to be reading some poetry, and Sabé is going to be giving some wisdom to the children. Nabwakawin, we would say in Ojibwe. And but first off, let's send it over to Nanabuju with today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Take it away, Nanabuju.